The problem: the recycling of thermoplastic films, filaments or fibres calls for extremely gentle processing. The objective: the end product must be an agglomerate with good flow characteristics and high bulk density, meeting high quality criteria. The solution: Herbold Plast Compactor HV Series. The highly cost-effective solution for producing directly reusable raw materials from voluminous waste with poor flow properties. The process: the pre-granulated waste is first fed into a buffer silo. The feed screw transports the waste to the compactor. This guarantees continuity of the process. The waste is processed in continuous operation between a fixed and a rotating compaction disc, to which replaceable kneading bars are attached with screws. The pre-granulated material is conveyed continuously into the processing zone through the center of the fixed disc. As soon as the material plasticizes, it's evacuated from the discs by the continuously advancing pre-granulated material and is suctioned off. The hot melt granulator reduces the still hot material to its final grain size. Due to the extremely short dwell time, thermal decomposition is minimal, and thus the process is also ideal for sensitive thermoplastics. In the processing of PET films, there's a unique side effect. The material is simultaneously crystallized. The Herbold Plast Compactor can also be used to process contaminated waste. After washing, all the material is dried at the same time. This is especially easy and effective with thin film applications. With conventional recycling processes, it's very difficult or even impossible to process fully printed or metallized films. The reason is the high standards that apply to degassing of the extruders. The Herbold Plast Compactor provides a field-proven process with hundreds of installations in operation worldwide. As this process is an open system, heavily printed or metallized films present no problem. Herbold Meckesheim has put substantial efforts into process automation. By constant measurement of the temperature in the compactor chamber, fault-free continuous operation is possible without manual adjustments. This makes the process highly cost-effective, with minimal or no human resources needed for operation. With Herbold Plast Compactors, a wide variety of materials can be agglomerated. For example, PET films, PA fibres, mixed plastic waste, foams, carpet waste, mixed plastics from wire cable reclamation, stretch films and oriented films, powder, fine particles and dust, thermoplastic wallpaper, shavings, and many other thermoplastic materials. The HV Series Plast Compactor is manufactured in various sizes and achieves throughputs of between 100 and 1400 kilos per hour, between 200 and over 3,000 pounds per hour. The simple, low-cost system in plastics recycling. Free-flowing agglomerated materials with high bulk density made from films, fibres, foams. Ideal for sensitive thermoplastics such as PET and PA with virtually no fines. Crystallization of PET for direct return to extrusion lines. drying of wet or moist films, ability of adding fillers, master batches or other additives, compounding. With automatic mode, high cost efficiency with low wear costs. On request, we'll be glad to offer complete turnkey solutions with convincing ideas to save time and money. Herbold Meckesheim Recycling Technology.